How do you insert layout blocks into your Google Sites, and what good are they? Over here on your left-hand column under the Insert tab, you see layouts. Now, this is also a collapsible part because these are just here to make life in the Google Sites easier, but you don't necessarily need them. So you could really just collapse that down, and then you have a little bit easier access to some of these things, or you can expand them out and use them. So what the layouts do is basically they're just preordained templates or pre-made templates for things that you can do on your own. It just makes it easier because they're already done. So for instance, if we want to put in something that has two photos and then writing beneath it, click on that and it's already there. All I then need to do is click on the plus. I can upload, which again, we don't have the access to do on our Chromebooks. Select from Google Images or Time Images from our drive. We can add links. We can put in a calendar or a map, which we haven't gotten to yet. But it's already done there for you. And then you can come down here and add a heading text and then subtext. So that is what the layout does for you. It just makes it much simpler because we can create this exact set on our own. I'm going to add a placeholder, another placeholder, put this one here. Both of these need to be a certain size. I'll then add a text box. I'll add 4. This first one is going to be this size. In the center as a heading, this one is going to be this size as a heading in the center. And I'll move that box up here. This one will be normal, but also center. It will be this size. And I'll add one more in the center and this size, and I'll move it up. And this is now this. But you see all the things that I had to do, and I did that quickly just to create this layout, as opposed to just clicking on the layout block. And there's all different kinds of layouts. All these pictures, several pictures with things you can talk about, or also other links like videos. These are your layout blocks and what you can do with them. Again, these are just templates that you can create on your own, but they're just pre-made for you just to make things a little bit more efficient.